Imagine building the coolest park ever! Whoa!
Watch out! I loved it! Let's go again! Oh, this is the coolest playground I've ever seen!
Nothing could ruin this day!
Whoa. Hi, Cloud!
Oh, hello. I'm Cloudy. Looks like you're having a great time down there. Don't worry, I'll be on my way so I don't rain on your fun.
I think Cloudy feels left out. Rain or shine, let's make this day great. Let's mix our colors together and imagine what we can do.
A water slide! Imagine if we turned the park into a water park.
What do we need to make our dry park a wet park?
Just add water. We need your help, Cloudy.
Who, me?
We want to turn this park into a water park.
Yeah, when we tell you, bring on the rain!
Rainy day water park. That's great!
What about a slip and slide?
And we can land in a playground splash zone.
Okay, Cloudy, are you ready?
Here we flow!
Woohoo! Yeah!
You made this rain cloud feel very sunny today. Thank you.
What a fun day! I wonder what's in the forecast for our next adventure.
Imagine discovering a new dinosaur.
Dinosaur-y.
It runs like a cheetah.
Zoom, zoom! I'm faster. I'm the fastest runner in the forest. Zoom, zoom! The fastest flyer. Zoom, zoom! And the fastest swimmer.
Oh, so what kind of dinosaur are you?
Zoomosaurus megalopteryx. Call me Zuma.
You're so cool, Zuma! Can we take your picture?
Zoom, zoom! You'll have to catch me first.
How are we gonna catch her?
We need to run, fly, and swim.
We need a dynamic dinosaur tracker.
Let's make it a high-tech off-road vehicle with dinosaur feet to run.
We have ground. Now we need sky and sea.
I know! It could have wings like a duck. They both swim and fly.
But you still can't breathe underwater.
We need some super cool dive suits.
Leave that to me. Glittery and functional.
There's Zuma!
I knew they couldn't keep up.
We might not be the fastest, but we use creativity to track you down.
Yeah, you put your imagination in action. Zoom, zoom. I believe I owe you a photo. Say Zoomosaurus megalopteryx.
Zoomosaurus megalopteryx.
Okay, just say zoom, zoom.
Zoom, zoom.
That was Dynamite! I wonder what we'll catch next time.
Well, hello there. I'm Mackie, a jumbo crayon. I love exploring and discovering new things with my friends. What's that over there? When you're curious like me, everything's an adventure, like when we imagined Doodle Pets into reality. That's Blaze, my friend Rafa's Doodle Dragon. I always see magic in the small details. Ooh, like that rainbow on the apple. The world is jumbo, like me, and I can't wait to see it all. It's so fun to be creative with my friends. Once we created amazing constellations, pictures in the stars, just by telling stories. I love sparking curiosity and helping everyone enjoy each moment. What was that? Come on, let's find out. Welcome to Dazzling Doodle Park, where doodle pets come to life.
Blaze!
How about Doodle Fetch?
A great idea! Our doodles imagine what they want and fetch it.
Crayola Crew!
Imagine if doodle pets were real! Welcome to Dazzling Doodle Park, where doodle pets come to life.
Blaze! My doodle pet!
Oh, who's this little one? This is lovely! My doodle!
Our doodles are real!
They want to play.
How about Doodle Fetch?
A great idea! Our doodles imagine what they want and fetch it. What would you like to play with?
What about you, Blaze? Okay. 3, 2, 1, fetch!
Whew, that was so fun! One more time?
I think they're tired and hungry.
What kind of food do unicorns and dragons eat? Maybe we need to let them choose. Go ahead. Pick whatever you want.
Blaze's turn! They were hungry.
And now they're messy!
Ooh, maybe we should give them a bath.
Great idea! Spa time!
Now we should clean them off.
Well, if you can't bathe them, join them.
What a really great pet project! I wonder where we'll go next.
Imagine if we could fly in the sky! Whoa! The butterfly's wings turn to color when they land on a flower.
Oh, I wish I could fly like that.
Me too. My name's Flutter. I'm still learning to fly and I'm really nervous. It's okay to be nervous.
Yeah, maybe we can help you feel more confident.
How can we get up in the air to help you practice? That's a great idea!
How else can we help you get up there? Of course! Bubbles!
I heard that idea. Flutter! You're doing it! Whoa! I got you. It's no use. If I can't fly up to the flowers, my wings will never be colorful.
You might not have noticed, but you flew down using your wings to save us.
You're right. I just went with the flow.
Yeah, go with the flow.
Are you imagining what I'm imagining?
Yeah, let's all get wings.
Follow me. I'm going to get my colors. Wow! adventure! I can't wait to see where we fly next.
Greetings, friends! I'm Lloyd, a metallic crayon. I love science and discovering how things work. Shimmer plus creativity equals me! One time, I used my shine to change the properties of a slime waterfall so we could use magnets to climb to the top. There was another time when we were stranded on an alien planet, so we needed to use both science and imagination to get home! Eureka! Metallic crayons like me take everyone's creativity out of this world! Remember, the next discovery is right around the corner! When you let your imagination shine, there's no limit to what you can create!
Lloyd, what about you? You can make them?
Metallic! Now they won't fall apart!
Oh, it's out of this world!
Crayola Crew!
Imagine a planet made of slime. Whoa! So much slime! Whoa!
Cool! Glittery slime like Fizz! It must change when we touch it.
Juby, where are you?
Hello there. We're the Crayola Crew. Who's Juby?
Juby's my lost pup, and my name's Crater. Is Juby neon pink? That's Juby! Let's go!
Oh no! How are we gonna get to Juby? The floor is lava!
Remember when Fizz got stuck in the slime and it became glittery? I wonder if...
Wow, that's thinking outside the thought bubble.
I seem to have caused a reaction.
Wow! Metallic like you!
I have an idea! You know what sticks to metal? Magnets!
Come on, boy. Time to go home.
He's having too much fun. I don't think he wants to leave.
Okay, 5 more minutes, Juby.
He's having the slime of his life.
Slime-tastic! Let's join him! That was out of this world.
I wonder where we'll land next.
Imagine we could fly through space!
Whoa!
Welcome to the deck of the Comet Crayon, a spaceship out of your imagination.
Everyone strap in. We're about to launch into deep space.
In 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Wow, this is incredible!
That doesn't sound right.
We should land to make sure the ship's okay.
Oh, maybe we can imagine a planet to land on.
A whole planet? That would take
All our imaginations!
The ship is broken.
How are we going to get home?
We need to find a way to get the spaceship flying again.
Whoa, giant butterflies! I wish we could fly like that.
Yeah! Why don't we add wings to the spaceship?
Those leaves kind of look like wings. Maybe those will work.
Wow, that's a great idea. But I'm not entirely certain leaves will work in deep space.
There's gotta be a way. We saw an alien butterfly in the forest. Maybe we should just turn them into butterfly wings.
That gets us flying, but even butterfly wings won't be strong enough.
Lloyd, what about you? You can make them.
Metallic! Now they won't fall apart.
Whoa, it's out of this world!
Now let's get out of this world! Space might be the final frontier, but where will we go next?
Hi, everybody! I'm Pinkie, a bold and bright crayon. I love to sing, dance, and put on a show. For me, every day is about shining bright and doing your best. One time, we created our own volcano fireworks, which definitely popped. That was a capital SHOW show. Another time, my friends and I wanted to make the funnest, farthest, fastest, and coolest ski jump ever. But none of our ideas were spectacular enough. We had to work together to make the funnest, fastest, coolest, you get the idea, sled ever. I love when my friends share bold ideas because bold and bright crayons like me make every idea pop right off the page. Ready to create something super duper amazing? All you have to do is think pink and you're a star. Just step into the spotlight. Let's give these slopes a show! Yeah! Woohoo!
Crayola Crew! Imagine a castle made of cake! This place looks cozy!
And delicious!
It's not for eating, even though that dragon seems to think it is.
Oh no! The dragon ate your roof!
We need some bright ideas to fix the castle.
How about a frosting fire truck?
And a sprinkle cannon!
Those were bright ideas.
Thanks for decorating my birthday cake. I'm turning 312 years old.
Happy birthday! There's just one problem. This is her castle, not your cake.
Oh no!
What if we made a special birthday cake? Just for you. What kind of cake do you want?
Well, I love chocolate.
Me too. More chocolate, the better.
Perfect. And I love a whipped frosting.
What if it's cloudy with frosting?
It's missing one thing.
Every birthday cake needs
A candle!
Happy birthday, dragon! Blow out the candle and make a wish.
I think I'll need some help.
That was a sweet adventure! I wonder what we'll try next. Imagine a world where everything is made of balloons!
Whoa!
Do you hear that?
We're bored. We've played every game ever. Can you play with us?
Imagine if we invented a new game!
Okay, crew, time to get creative.
Ooh,
Somersaults? There should definitely be somersaults!
nice bounce, Neo. How about
and hoops to flip through.
On your spark, get set, go!
They're running for the hoop! They bounce! They hop! They pose! They score!
That was so much fun!
But what happens if we play this game too much? Will we get bored of it too?
It would be great if we have a couple of options. Imagine if you always have a new game to play.
Yeah, like a game mixer-upper. Jazzberry Jam. You'll have a new game every time you spin it. We never run out of games again.
Now we just need more game ideas.
How about bouncy karaoke?
Coming right up! Hide and seek!
Flower fencing.
Dragon dance-off!
Silly jump faces!
Glitterific!
Come on, Duck. Give it a spin. That was so fun! I thought I was going to burst!
Yeah! I wonder what adventure will pop up next.
Hey, I'm so glad you're here! I'm Fizz! I'm the most caring, extra special, and glittery crayon you've ever seen! This cake is missing something. Check this out! I can add sparkle to any situation! Glitterific! With a little sparkle, every day could be a celebration of you! Like one time, the sky didn't have any stars, so we told stories and drew our own constellations. The sky was dazzling, just like yours truly. I love to help my friends think outside the crayon box. Glitter crayons like me make everything shine brighter, even the darkest night sky. Ready to add some pizzazz? Oh yeah! See you soon!
The Unibear and Robot were not at all spooky.
We joined them and became best friends.
We filled up the whole sky.
Crayola Crew! Imagine a fireworks volcano!
Whoa! This place is exploding with creativity. It looks like how I feel on the inside.
Come on! Let's explore everything!
Whoa! Did you see that?
Look! The volcano is making fireworks! Not just fireworks, Scarlet. A whole fireworks show!
This is nothing! If I had something other than these boring rocks, that would be a fireworks show!
How about an apple rock?
That looks perfect!
Whoa! I have an idea!
That was amazing, Bria! I've got a really cool idea.
This is a great show. But you know what would make it a capital S-H-O-W show?
Imagine if we mixed them up!
Can we add a touch of glitter? Oh yeah!
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's purplicious!
Now that's a fireworks show.
Nom 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 nom. Oh, excuse me.
That rocked! I wonder what adventure will erupt next. Imagine we were giant-sized movie monsters!
Great job, everyone! This is going to be the coolest movie ever! Now, do you have any questions about your scripts?
How am I I going to breathe atomic fire?
Oh, you can't breathe atomic fire?
How about party streamers? Those kind of look like fire.
I'm a big fan of that idea. And we can use a big fan, too.
Action!
Rafa, your turn.
Pinkie, it says I fly here. I'm pretty sure I can't fly. Nope. How about we attach the camera to me and attach me to a drone?
Action!
Yeah!
All we need is one more shot.
Fizz, are you ready? Where's Fizz?
Just getting dressed and ready to show off my, sea monster water jets?
In a world where the town is tiny, the monsters are a little bigger, and there's giant action. Monster Mania!
Check out my atomic breath!
I'm flying and I'm a monster! I'm some kind of flying monster!
I'm gonna make a splash!
Monster Mania! See it in theaters if we ever finish it.
Oh,
Oh, that was lights, cameras, fun! I wonder what we'll do next!
Name's Neo, and I'm a neon crayon. You know I'm ready for any adventure fueled by bright, vibrant vibes. Neon isn't just a type of crayon. It's a way of life. It's about being brave, bold, and neon-rific! Just like when Bria was a big-time movie monster! We had to use creativity to give her neon atomic tangerine breath! Roar! Oh yeah, and that time we discovered a new dinosaur!
Zoom zoom!
I had to get a selfie with her. She was so extra amazing! We just had to catch her first. Screamin' green! Neon crayons like me glow with creativity. And I can't wait to bring extra wow to your next artistic explosion! Crayola Crew!
Oh, imagine if we created a ship that could sail around the whole world! Whoa! What a cool ship!
It looks like it's stuck.
Ahoy! We crash-landed and we can't agree on how to fix our ship!
Faster!
Ryder! More fun!
As you can see, we have some bones to pick with each other.
This sounds like a job.
For the Crayola Crew!
Aye, sounds like jumbo fun!
Our sail is broken and we can't go fast anymore!
You have a need for speed.
Our lantern broke. It's going to be so dark on the ship at night.
You gotta be able to see the sea.
Steering the ship can get pretty dull. Can we add something to make it extra special? That's what glitter crayons do best.
Now we know what the crew needs, but how do we make it happen? My sailor wants speed. What's faster than any old sail? What about shark fins with super powerful jets on them?
Whoa! Great job, Bria! My sailor still needs to see in the dark. There's that broken sail. What if we turned it into a neon lighthouse? In 3, 2, 1, open!
A ship-shaped shark ship with the lookout lighthouse? It's perfect! Don't forget my favorite part. Now you can navigate with pizzazz! You can join our crew anytime.
And you'll always have a port to visit here.
That was a boatload of fun! I can't wait to set sail on our next adventure. Imagine drawing in the sky!
This the stars.
This is a story sky. We're gonna fill it with a story and create the stars.
Just tell a story, and it will start to appear.
Ooh, me! Once upon a time...
Whoa! We can make anything we imagine appear in the stars!
It was a dark and stormy night.
Fizz, why do campfire stories always start off like that?
Stories need a little excitement. And on that night, there was a
unibear! Part unicorn, part bear. Aw, cute.
And his neighbor was a dancing robot!
He's gonna wake up Unibear! And Unibear did not wake up! Phew! What was that? That sounds like a marching band!
Marching band practice is on Tuesday. And today is not Tuesday.
The band's gonna wake up Unibear!
Who's up for my famous neon hot chocolate?
Mackie, why don't you start the story?
Well, it was a bright and not at all stormy night, and the Unibear and robot were not at all spooky.
We joined them and became best friends.
We filled up the whole sky.
wow!
Whoa! Wow!
I'm camp-fired up for our next adventure.
Hey, pals. I'm Al, a Colors of the World crayon. I see creativity everywhere I go, and I've been everywhere. Look at all these places. Each one is full of characters with their own special stories. There was one time we swam down to the ocean floor for DJ Mermaid's concert, but her DJ booth was broken. We created new instruments from objects under the sea. And then she could see things from a new perspective. You can see or hear things in a different way too. All you have to do is take a deep breath and imagine the possibilities. I love celebrating my friends and their unique way of looking at the world. Colors of the World crayons like me bring everyone together, no matter who you are or where you're from. Are you ready for our next adventure? I'll be hanging around waiting for you.
Crayola Crew! Imagine creating the best ice cream flavor ever!
I told you it was the tallest mountain in the Colorverse.
Howdy! Welcome to Bettie Yeti's Ice Cream Emporium. I'm Bettie Yeti.
Thanks for inviting us.
Can we please try a scoop of your best ice cream?
Sit back, relax, and I'll scoop you the best flavor ever.
Excuse me, Betty. What flavor is this?
It's yak drool. In my honest opinion, the best ice cream flavor.
What other flavors do you have?
I don't have any other flavors. I thought everyone loved yak drool.
What's the best ice cream flavor?
I like sweet flavors with a kick. Spicy mango ice cream's the best! Ooh, spicy! How I like it!
Ooh, can I try some? Too spicy. Well, I like my sweet treats colorful. How about rainbow sherbet? This is spectacular! I look great!
Let me try! I thought I'd never say this, but too colorful.
I don't think we'll ever agree on the best flavor.
We all like different things. Imagine if we made a flavor-changing ice cream that could be everyone's favorite.
Yeah! Ice cream that tastes the best to you, any flavor you imagine. No wonder we couldn't agree on the best flavor. We all had different favorites.
Hey, I still think yak drool's the best, but now everyone is happy.
Wow! what a tasty adventure! I wonder where we'll go next. Imagine a glowing forest. Who turned out the lights?
I don't know. But Scarlet said this was a glowing forest.
How can we camp in the dark?
Very carefully. What was that?
They're fireflies, and they glow when they laugh.
Quick! Someone tell a joke!
What did one toilet say to the other? Oh, you look a bit flushed.
A good laugh can light up any room or forest.
Whoa! Now the forest is bright like neon.
We gotta keep them laughing if we want to set up camp. Like this. Bleep, blop, blorp. I am a robot.
Hop, hop, hop. Oh no! I forgot my sleeping bag. I think we need a bunk bed.
How about a bunk bed? Pillow fort extravaganza!
Oh no, now it's too bright. How are we going to get to sleep?
Maybe if we can calm down the fireflies, they'll turn out for the night too.
Great idea. Let's all take a nice deep breath.
I love a good deep breath.
Oh no! We'll never fall asleep with a case of the giggles. Can we please stay up longer telling jokes with our new friends? Okay, just a little longer. Wow, that was a great camp out. Time fireflies when you're having fun. Hello, sunshine. I'm Daisy, a Colors of Kindness crayon. Spreading joy and kindness is what I do best. When things get tough, you gotta shine even brighter. That's what I told Cloudy, a rain cloud who was afraid of ruining our sunny day at the playground. With Cloudy's help, we turned this rainy day playground into the most epic water park ever! Even rainy days can have a bright side. I love helping my friends stay positive and inspired. Us Colors of Kindness crayons bring out the best in everyone. Ready to spread some joy together? I heart that idea!
Crayola Crew! Whoa! Check out my ballerina spin!
And my superhero leap!
Bria Rafa, come look!
Imagine if costumes gave you superpowers! This course looks amazing!
Yeah! Where are our costumes?
You gotta imagine them!
If we want to jump through those hoops, we need a costume that soars. How about dragon wings?
Oh, yeah!
Whoa!
Yeah! Whoa! These costumes are on fire!
Our wings are too big to fly through the tube.
And that looks like a long way to swim. Sounds like we need mermaid tails.
I'm ready to splish and splash.
Whoa, a climbing wall. Not sure our costumes will help us here.
How about robot arms with vacuums to stick to the wall?
All right, let's do this.
Come on, you got this!
We did it! Yeah!
conquered the course!
I think I could get used to this costume.
Super adventures! Super fun!
I can't wait to fly into what's next.
It's the first day of school.
And I don't know what to wear!
Bria Rafa! It's a fashion emergency!
Imagine going to school underwater.
Oh, I'm Allie. It's my first day, and I really want to stand out.
Okay, crew, let's think. What makes a perfect first day of school outfit?
Let's look around.
Oh, I see an idea. That coral would make a beautiful neon headband.
Wow! That'll really knock their socks off!
And speaking of socks, you've got 8 legs. How about a rainbow of 8 cool and colorful socks?
I love it!
Whoa! I didn't know you could do that!
People express themselves differently all over the world. I think Allie changes color when she's happy.
Yeah, I do.
Cool!
Hey, Allie, was that your bus?
Oh no! How am I gonna get to school?
Who needs a bus when your backpack has its very own turbo-fast propeller?
Wow! Thanks, crew! Gotta go!
Wait! We need a first day of school picture! Circle up, everyone!
Now get out there and make a splash!
Have fun at school!
I think we just got schooled.
What will we learn next?
Spin, 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 stop! Yeah! The dizzy game is a whirlwind of fun. But what if we made it even dizzier? Rafa, Bria, we need your creativity!
Imagine if we made the spinniest, dizziest game ever!
Spin, 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 stop!
Whoa! Let's turn this dizzy game up a notch.
What's something that spins even faster than we can? I got it! Super fast swivel seats!
Whoa! That's definitely spinny, but I think we can make it even spinnier. What if we had something that could spin us around in the air? Like a jetpack!
That was extreme! Maybe too extreme.
How can we spin even faster without getting tied up?
Well, what if we could spin like a colorful top?
Get ready to spin! 1, 2, swirl it up!
Whoa! Yeah! Whoa!
Now that's a dizzy maker!
Why is the floor so wobbly?
And colorful! Look!
What a wild whirl of color!
What a fun day! I wonder what idea will spin up next.
Whoa! What kind of egg is this?
Let's call in the crew. Bria, Rafa.
Imagine discovering a new animal.
Oh, thank goodness you're here. This egg needs help hatching.
How do we help an egg hatch?
Well, Birds sit on eggs to keep them warm so they hatch. And bunnies are fuzzy like a blanket. How about a super soft bunny bird to help the eggs stay warm and cozy enough to hatch?
The bunny bird wasn't enough. What else can we come up with? What if we throw the egg a birthday party?
Nothing like a good party to bring someone out of their shell.
But it's not working. What are we missing?
Oh, look at all the colors on this shell.
Oh, this egg doesn't have any colors on it. Maybe if we want this egg to hatch, we need to decorate it.
Great idea, Bria.
Don't forget the sparkle!
We did it!
It looks so good!
Look! It's hatching!
What kind of animal is it?
Who knows? But it's really sparked our creativity.
Spark! That's a perfect name!
Aw, he likes it.
It looks like we have a new crew member.
I wonder what egg-siding adventure will hatch next.
Hey!
Rafa, Bria, we're having a dance party for DJ Mermaid's birthday, so get ready to get down.
Imagine inventing a whole new way to dance!
Bria, Rafa, now my birthday party's ready to groove.
Whoa! Oh no! We didn't bring birthday presents!
What's next? No cake? Phew!
If you want to give me a gift, you can help me with my new song. All you gotta do is dance.
Oh wow! You can create music based on our moves!
Yup, your dances are gonna fill this party with color. Hey Fizz, what's wrong?
I haven't really caught the jitterbug just yet.
We can help you find your groove.
Try this.
Ooh, too spinny for me.
What about tap dancing? Give that a whirl.
Oh, I love it! But it's not for me. These are great moves, but they're all your moves. I just don't know what dance move is mine, you know?
How can we make Fizz shine bright? That's it! Lights! If we put these here
and Fizz right here.
Oh, yeah! Now that's more like it!
Whoa! Fizz, I think you found your groove.
Phew! All this dancing's making me hungry. Is it about time for cake?
I'm all boogied out.
I wonder where we'll dance next.
Hiya! I'm Scarlet, a classic Crayola crayon. I just love helping kids be creative. When you want to imagine something big, I'm always around to guide you towards something amazing and totally unexpected. One time, we met skeleton sailors with a broken ship. So we got creative and fixed it with our imagination. The Crayola Crew has been on so many amazing adventures. Another time, we made our own butterfly wings and learned to fly. We even helped a nervous butterfly get her wings. I love bringing color to my friends' ideas, big or small. Classic crayons like me have been sparking creativity for generations. Are you ready to join the crew? Come on, let's go.
Follow me.
Crayola Crew!
Imagine if we made music underwater.
Fantastic! I can't wait to hear some underwater tunes.
DJ Mermaid is the best musician in all 7 seas.
What was that?
I think it's coming from back there. DJ Mermaid!
What's going on?
My DJ booth is going haywire. See? And the show's about to start.
Without her DJ booth, there won't be any music, and the concert will be canceled!
But I made us all matching shirts.
We need to help her!
Yeah! Imagine if we could find new ways to make music for her.
Maybe we should use our imaginations to make instruments, like a choral xylophone.
My turn! How about we create something out of bubbles?
That's great, Pinkie! How about a shell-sational set of drums?
It's missing one more thing.
The show is starting. Whoa, sweet jam. I got it. I know exactly what to do to save this concert. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Can you sign our shirts?
Whoa! Good job! We did it! That was so much fun. I wonder what music we can make next.
Moo! Imagine the biggest snow jump ever.
Let's give these slopes a show! Yeah! Woohoo!
How about a friendly competition? Most spectacular jump wins!
I'll judge. Everybody line up. The best jump will be fun, far, fast, and cool.
I'm first! I do not know what to ride on. It's gotta be fun. Oh yeah! A donut! Let's ride! Woo! Woohoo!
Oh, I can't wait!
I want to fly farther than everyone!
Oh, how about wings? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I want to go fast, like a rocket jet! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa!
Ooh, it would be great to have some cool skis.
How about icicles?
Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Now I want to see something extreme. Neo, it's your turn.
What if no, that would be, what should I ride? A walrus! All right!
I loved all those jumps. I can't pick a winner.
I think we could use all our ideas, and we'd all be winners.
Yeah, we could make the fastest, farthest, funnest, and coolest ski jump together.
That adventure was nice as ice. Can't wait to see what cool spot we'll slide into next.